If you earn money but still feel broke every month, this is exactly why. Let me show you something most people never realize. Salary comes, and suddenly you feel rich. You spend a little, nothing big. Food, shopping, subscriptions, and then, just like that, your money is gone. Here's the problem. You don't have a money system. Most people follow this. Income minus expenses equals savings. And that's why nothing is left. Flip it. Income minus savings equals expenses. Step 1, save 20% the moment you get paid. Step 2, spend only what's left. Step 3, track your money for 7 days. Do this once, you'll notice a change. Do this every month, your life changes. Being rich isn't about earning more. It's about managing better.